Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the sevens.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be removing my car starter in my SI. The car actually won't start at all right now. I've been popping the clutch to start it, but other than that, I've just been driving the CRV and the little beater LX over there. But yeah, I'm gonna head over to Gerb right now. Gonna go say hi to him at work, give him his charger, come back to the crib, start wrenching on the car, getting the starter off, and then I'm gonna go to the junkyard and pick up a new starter off of an 06 Accord, which is actually compatible with FA5, and we're gonna be throwing that on the car hopefully today, maybe the next couple days. I'm not sure, but we're gonna do what we can today, guys.
My boy
Right now, what's good? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Fortunately, I'm stuck at work, man. I'd rather be on the YouTube grind right now.
Look at
But
my
hey,
boy in his vest.
gotta make the money, man. See, we working hard out here with this dirty vest.
The charger from my
Bill,
boy.
Bill stole my shit with my other piece.
So guys, here's the FA5. You guys probably haven't seen her in a while, but the starter is right here. And as you guys see, it's not in good shape. It's actually the factory starter, which is why it's probably just going now. It's been on there for 115k miles, so it makes sense that it's starting to go. But I thought I could get in here, which I kind of can. I could get to that bolt to get it off. There's actually only 2 bolts connecting the starter. But as you guys see, I don't have much room for torque right here, so I might actually have to take off the intake manifold. But right now we're just going to start taking off this intake and finally getting the starter off. Our intake is off. Gonna throw this underneath the car. I'm headed over to the junkyard right now. We're going to Southington. It's like a 20-minute drive, and I'm ready to go pick up that car starter. I actually haven't gotten the one out of my FA5 yet. It's still in there. Hopefully I can get that out today. But yeah, I'm about to be at the junkyard in like 15-20 minutes. Pick up that starter for 50 bucks. I think it's a pretty good deal. VTech boys! The K24 life! So we are pulling into Chuck and Eddie's Auto Parts right now, the place I'm getting my car starter. And I'm gonna take around, I think they got like a little junkyard full of cars here, so I'm gonna go take a look at that after I grab the starter and see what we can find. Maybe they got some gems in there somewhere. Well, what do we have here? What is this I spy? An FA5? I think so. A silver FA5. Riced out with the stickers. It must be fast, right? That an RX-8 over there. We're just leaving. I got the part. Here's the starter right here. It's a little rusty. I'm gonna have to clean it off. As long as it works, that's really all that matters. I got it for like 40 bucks. So there's also a warranty on it, so if it doesn't end up working, I'm just gonna bring it back. But it should work. They told me at work, so I wasn't really thinking. It is a weekday and it is like 4 o'clock right now, so it's prime time traffic. And I've been stuck in this line getting off the highway for like 15 minutes now. I'm trying to get in my hometown so I could go work on the FA5, but I guess they just don't want me to. Just got home. This is the progression we're at so far. Got the intake out, got the fuel rail up. Just got to start unbolting some more, get the intake manifold off, and we can get to the starter. But there's also one other thing I got to do today, and that is to ship this my Skunk 2 short shifter. I actually have 2 of them. I got my other one actually in the FA5 right now, but I sold this one for like 30 bucks, so I gotta go ship it out to the guy who bought it from me on OfferUp. We got our label all printed out, and got the item right here, and that's all set. But guys, we're losing daylight actually. I'm gonna start working on her again tomorrow, and right now I'm actually gonna head over to the girlfriend's house, start putting this video together, update you guys a little bit on what's going on. I had to take the EJ6 out real quick. You know, this thing's amazing on gas, so like whenever I get the chance to drive this thing, why the hell not? It saves you a lot of money, especially since the FA5 is being worked on right now. But yeah, I'm done working on the FA5 for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more projects coming with the FA5, and stay tuned for that starter installation coming real soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, peace out, guys.